Hello students, good morning, welcome to the class. So we have completed the chapter 2nd of Geography, Forest and Wildlife Resources in our previous class. And today we are going to do the question answer of the chapter. Firstly, you have to do question number 5 of short answer from your biology publication book. Question number 5, write a short note on Project Tiger. And your answer is, this was your answer, Project Tiger. You have to write from here till this point. You have to do only question number 5 and then long answer question. Question number 3. How communities have conserved and protected wildlife in India? Question number 3. How communities have conserved and protected wildlife in India? And your answer is? Your answer is given on page number 149. Communities have conserved and protected wildlife in India. This was your question and this is your answer. There are 8 points. Either you have to write 5 points or 6 points. You can edit these points also, make it short also, but the content should be same. You will edit these points, make it short, but the content should be same. Now I am giving you questions from the NCERT. First, question number 5. Explain how culture is affected by the loss of forest and wildlife, or how is biological loss of forest and wildlife correlated with loss of cultural diversity. This was your answer. Okay. Now see the next question. What are the different conservation methods adopted in India, or explain any 3 methods of forest conservation adopted by the government of India after independence, or what effect are made to protect India and wildlife in India. So here are 3 points given. Now see the next question. Distinguish between endangered and extinct species. So you have to distinguish between endangered and extinct species. Now see the next question. What has been the contribution of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act in protecting animal habitats in India? This was your answer. Now see the long question and answer. First question, write any 5 reasons for the depletion of forest resources in India, or how have human activities catalyzed the depletion of flora and fauna? Explain, or explain any 5 reasons responsible for the depletion of flora and fauna in India. In exams, any of three questions में से कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है, and you have to write the same answer only for all these 3 questions. So there are 5 reasons: agriculture expansion, mining, large scale development projects, rapidly expanding industrial urban economy, overpopulation. Now see the next question. Some environmentalists allege tribes for destroying forests for their use, and some say that they are more co-sensitive and protective nature better. That what to do interfere from both the reference. This was your answer. Long answer. You have to do these two long question and answer and one long question from Balaji book, which I gave you just now, that how communities have conserved and protected wildlife in India. These three questions are you should do in your copies, and one question from Balaji book, write a short note on Project Tiger, and 3 questions or 4 questions from your you have to do 2 questions of Balaji book and the question and answer which I gave you from the NCERT book. So we have completed question and answer and chapter 2nd. We will start the next chapter in our tomorrow class.